Next question. Can you transition without doing a big chop? Yes. Yes, you can. You can transition without doing a big chop, and it's exactly what I did. Well, yeah, it's exactly what I did. Back then, this was like 6-7 years ago, so there was less of a saturation in terms of the amount of people with opinions and different things going on in the hair community, and different people saying what's right and wrong and what's what. But a big chop then wasn't just when you shaved it off and started from zero. Big chop referred to, I don't know if it still does, but based on the way this question is worded, I'd say it isn't. A big chop is just when you get rid of the pre-transitioned hair, whether that's from zero or from having your natural hair reach up to bob length. It's just the process of chopping off the pre-transitioned hair. So yes, you can transition without having to do a big chop. You could literally just trim it off gradually and let it grow out until, you know, doing your regular trims, it would be cut off anyway. You can just transition that way. But I did big chop and transition. I transitioned for almost a year until my hair reached about 4 or 5 inches, a length that I felt comfortable enough to be letting go of the relaxed ends. So that's what I personally did. But no, you don't have to just go straight for a buzz cut and chop it all off at once. You can actually just do it step by step and learn your hair as it grows out of your scalp, just gradually. There's no reason, there's no urgency or necessity to just chop it all off at once. It's a personal preference thing. Me, when I first went natural, I was 15 years old and I did not have the guts to come to school the next day with just like a buzz cut of hair or a tiny little afro. I didn't have the guts. So yeah, that's not what I did. So I just let it grow out naturally and trimmed at the ends until I was tired of trimming it, and I just decided, you know what, I've got a couple of inches left of relaxed hair at the ends. I'm just going to chop it all off at once. And I had this done professionally. Now I trim my hair myself, but then I kept it to the professionals because I wasn't sure what I was doing. It's a confidence thing. You learn your hair more, you get more confident with what to do with it, what it likes, what it dislikes, what it needs and what it doesn't need. And as it's the same case for when you're transitioning. You learn your hair and it's a process, it's a journey, natural hair journey. It's called for a reason.